Here we have a project where the customer has chosen two different cane patterns. This color here, they're choosing it for some basement steps and second floor steps, and 24 inches wide on the plates only, going up to the second floor. And then the front steps are going to be glamorous, this pattern here on the front steps. So there's some extra work installing it, cutting and binding them to fit, but we have these two different patterns going on this project. Now on the basement steps, we are going to cover them completely, come over in a waterfall fashion, do a little oval runner around here, continue up and cover this concrete with the vinyl edge, and then the steps going up, we're going to make a 24-inch wide plate only, just to do the plates. We're not covering the risers. Going all the way up, covering this bull nose, and continuing same way, same fashion up to the second floor. Alright, the front steps are going to get a 31-inch wide runner all the way up to the top and over the bull nose. And here we have their runners all cut to size and bound on the edges, ready to get installed. This one here is a 31-inch wide runner, which is going to run the full step, plate and a riser. These other pieces here are 24 inches, and we're going to cut them just to fit the plates only and not on the risers. And there's a couple of pieces, small pieces, that's going to go cover the bull nose at the top of the step. So this is ready to go. But something to note, specifically when you have this type of a plush, as you see the shading, it runs one way, this way. You could see the shading is very light. And if you go the other way, you could see that it is a lot darker. So when we get on the job, we need to show this to the customer to see which way they want it, looking it up, the dark way or the lighter way, and then install it accordingly. So this is ready to go, and we're getting ready to go on the job and see how everything goes. And here's the finished project here. These are the concrete steps that are done wall to wall in a waterfall fashion, with a little runner piece on the bottom. So we did these concrete steps, and then we followed it with the 24-inch runner on the plates only, on the steps going up, and proceeding up to the second floor, again just with the plates in this pattern. And here we have the front steps done, again with this Kane Print carpet, running all the way up, a 31-inch runner, continuing up to the top. We need to do this step in full with the bull nose on top. So this completes this project with all the different runners.